Fine-tuning the mobile marketing website. Potential website traffic who want to experience your site on their mobile devices have remarkably different wants and needs when it comes to the browsing experience. Most mobile devices have a smaller screen resolution than a desktop or laptop. The various different operating systems are also a factor. With all the factors to consider, you will need to know how to manipulate your traffic's experience based on the mobile devices you know they are using. The Mobile Marketing Preliminary Research Campaign. One of the fastest and most affordable way of doing this is to conduct a simple survey. Create a simple survey, preferably with no more than 5 to 10 options for your subscribers to choose from, to indicate which mobile devices they regularly use. Put a solid deadline on your survey incentive so that you can quickly and easily tabulate the answers for an overall understanding of which mobile devices will offer you the greatest financial rewards. Once the deadline has passed, it's time to tally up the information. Join me in Chapter 3 as we look at mobile search engine optimization.